Paula has a great recipe here. It's on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page already. We've had a lot of shares. People are interested in this one. Cool Whip cookies.
You bet. It's quick and easy. It's only 4 ingredients. You just start out with a cake mix, and I did a half so I can make you some this morning.
Okay.
And then a box of cake mix, a carton of Cool Whip, and 2 eggs.
Should it be the light, or do you use the regular?
You can use whichever you prefer.
Okay.
I will say you don't want to set it out for too many hours. You want the Cool Whip to be a little thicker.
Okay.
I do chill this one at home. I give it about an hour just to kind of help. It's kind of mushy.
And you can use whatever ingredients you have on hand?
You can use whatever cake mix you want. If you want a German chocolate one, you could do chocolate, or, you know, this one's lemon. The one I did the other day was spice cake, and you could add raisins and
so spice cake is the one that we have featured on the Facebook page, and that's the one your husband likes.
Yes, he likes that one. And he told me it needs his raisins and nuts.
No, I like this lemon. I think
okay, so just take the spoon and then push it off with the other spoon, and we're going to kind of roll it into a ball with the powdered sugar, and then that kind of makes it so then you can put it on the cookie sheet.
All right.
And that's all there is to it.
There you go.
And like I said, you know, you could add dried blueberries if you wanted, anything you wanted to kind of do.
Great. I'm going to give this a try. Here we go. They look so nice.
They're pretty.
When they're done. Whose recipe is this?
I just found it on Facebook, and I've been playing with them because I always like to come up with things I can throw in lunch boxes.
I like these. They're really light.
Yeah. And so I would say if you make them, keep them in this airtight container and maybe put them in the refrigerator, because the one I made the other day kind of got mushy.
So yeah, keep them cool.
Yeah.
Okay, again, this is on our Facebook page if you want to copy it down, but very simple ingredients.
Yes.
Paula, thank you.